Are you ready? Breathe in, breathe out. That's partially what yoga is all about. Here to help us relax, Tyrone Beverly and a few of his special guests. Good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
So Tyrone, it's more than breathing in, breathing out. Yoga really helps us. And you offer it differently. You don't go to gyms. You go around the Denver metro area. Tell me where your free classes are currently.
So we have a class at, we just finished up our series at the Denver Zoo, and now we're at Wings Over the Rockies, so you'll see airplanes and spaceships inside of this wonderful museum over in Lowry.
How cool. Where else have you been? I know you've
been. So we've been to the Museum of Nature and Science, the Wildlife Experience, Sports Authority Field, home of the Broncos, home of the Outlaws, Art Museum. We've been to Walmart. We've been to different parks. We've been all over the city.
Anywhere you can go. I remember Sports Authority was a huge success. A lot of people tuned out for that one, or tuned in, excuse me. You're also passionate about helping our youth stay healthy.
Absolutely.
How do you go about doing that?
So we go into different schools as well. That's one thing I did not mention. We just partnered with DPS and the Aspen Challenge. We did a program at Koonsmiller School, and we've really engaged the youth and just provided them with some tools on how to stay healthy and how to actually create those healthier lifestyles. But they also taught us something as well. What came out of that was a program called the Nutrition Ambitions. It was created by the youth for the youth, and they're going around sharing their knowledge and information around how to take care of yourself as well. So
Nutrition
that was really
Ambition?
Nutrition Ambition.
I love that.
From the kids over at Koonsmiller.
Maybe I could talk my boys into doing yoga with me. That would be wonderful. Now, who are your guests here today?
So these are actually some of the students from Koonsmiller. We have Trisha in the back here. We have Kalina leading the practice, and then we have Mr. Stefan. He recently just graduated high school a couple of years ago. So this is the youth that we work with and are engaged in, just a portion of them. We have so many more that we're working with as well.
And they're smiling, so this must be fun. Can you give us some demonstrations of what you do for the kids? Some of the moves?
Yeah, we have a party when we have class. So one thing that we did at Koonsmiller is everybody left class. We went into the hallways and we practiced yoga inside of the hallway, and it was a lot of fun. We're high-fiving and just having a really good time inside of the school, outside of the gym, just into the hallways and having a good time practicing yoga.
So the kids' reactions were great then. That had to make you feel good.
Yeah, it always makes me feel good seeing kids take it on for themselves. Because, you know, the older we get stuck in our ways, and we're challenged to make those changes that we need. But when you're young and you have those good habits, that can actually change your life.
Can you explain some of the poses and what they're doing here?
So what they recently were in, we're going to just go ahead and sit down here, like sitting into what's called chair, and you reach your hands all the way up. So you begin to strengthen your legs, reach up with your arms. You allow gravity to do the work. And now we're going to come into airplane arms. So you reach your hands behind you, flat back. We're going to step our left leg back, if you can, in the heels. And then we're going to reach our hands all the way overhead into what's called Warrior One. Yeah. Now we're going to exhale. We're going to come back down, airplane arms. Now the next inhalation, our left hand is going to swing down all the way overhead. We're going to come into what's called Warrior Two.
Oh, right here. Okay.
And then we're going to exhale, come back into airplane arms. And
as you can see, I have some work to do.
To chair. And then release our hands down to the side.
And that's a fun way for kids to stay healthy, and you work your core, you work your entire body.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that's one of the most important things that we can do is create those healthy habits so we can have better lives, so we can have a life well lived. So you don't always have to worry about your health and trying to engage, you know, good activities because you can't participate because your health isn't there. So it's good to take it on as you're young to have better habits so you can grow with those values.
And your classes are free, but what do we need to bring to your classes?
Bring yourself, bring a good attitude, and that's pretty much all you need. We provide mats, we provide the facility, and all you have to do is just show up. You can have jeans on, you can bring your shoes, you can come as you are.
This guy is so cool. He's done so much for our community, and it really is fun to attend one of his classes. If there's somebody watching and they want you to come out to their facility and maybe do it for a work environment, a team building project,
absolutely. We do that all the time. So you can actually contact me personally. You see the number on the screen, 303-358-9455. Or you can contact us at our website at I'mUniqueUnited.com and shoot us an email and let us know what you have going on, and we'll bring over our team and have a really good time with you.
Awesome job. Thank you so much, Tyrone.
Thank you for having
you guys. You did a wonderful job. Hey, don't stop. Keep going. She's smiling like it's over. Keep it up. All right, learn more about Tyrone and his work. Head to I'mUniqueUnited.com. That's his website. And be watching for all of his 2015 dates. I'm telling you, if you get the opportunity to go out to one of his free classes, do it. You'll love it.